Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your phone meets the essentials: compatible Android, Google app updated, and Google account signed in. Next, open Settings and enable location, microphone, and notifications so Google Assistant can respond reliably. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi and confirm system updates are installed. This prevents permission conflicts. Now open the Google app and tap your profile to access Assistant settings. You're ready to assign the Home button action and proceed to configuration. You'll continue inside Assistant settings by selecting Assistant devices and then Phone, where key options live. First, configure voice match so your voice unlocks personalized results. This matters for privacy and functionality. Then choose the Assist app behavior. Set Google as the default Assist app and map the Home button action to launch Assistant. Make sure press and hold home or gesture options are set. This determines how you invoke Assistant and whether to finish, test the Home button trigger and walk through the Assistant setup prompts. Retrain voice match if recognition is off. If Assistant doesn't appear, clear the Google app cache or revoke and regrant microphone and Assist permissions. This fixes many permission glitches. Make sure no third-party launcher is intercepting the Home action and restart the device to apply settings. If problems persist, reconfigure the Assist app choice. That single step often resolves silent failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.